How to check total watch time on a YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch a YouTube application on your device. As you launch the YouTube, you can select settings, and here as you tap on settings, you can see there is no direct option to check the total watch time. So for this process, what we simply need to do is we need to have a YouTube Studio application, which you can download via Play Store or App Store on your device, depending on the device that you have. So as you can see, I've already installed the application. So I'm going to tap on open and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on the analytics option at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on analytics, under overview, you can see the option of watch time. So select on that and you can select the time frame to lifetime, and here you'll be able to see the watch time over here. So you can just tap on different options over here where you'd want to check, and that's it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.